Hello friends, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sherry and I'm a lover of all things plus size fashion. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. We have so much fun here on this channel and we'd love to have you join us. Now, you might be asking yourself, Sherry, why are you in a robe? This is not normally how I do my introductions and film my videos, but we're doing a swimwear haul today, and so I just thought for ease of use, let's just put on the robe and like get into the swimwear, right? Now today's swimwear haul is a small but mighty one because it is featuring some swimwear from Shapermint. Now if you're not familiar with Shapermint, I've done a few hauls on Shapermint. You can check them out, I'll have them linked down below. But this is like an amazing, very comfortable like shapewear company. So you know when shapewear companies do swimwear, it's usually really good and very snatched yet comfortable, because if there's one thing about Shapermint that I know, it's that it's going to hold you in and secure you without making you feel like you're stuffed into, you know, like a sausage casing. Like, I don't know how they do it, but they do it. So I'm really excited to try their swimwear. I've never tried it before. I haven't even tried these pieces on yet. They just came out of the package. And so we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna see what it looks like, talk about the quality, and then I'll try it on for you guys. Sound good? As always, thank you to the Shapermint team for gifting me the pieces I'm gonna show you today and for sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate it. I have all of the items that I'm gonna try on for you linked in the description box down below, along with some coupon codes that you can use at checkout if you wanna save some cash. Okay, let's get into it with the first piece. I have three pieces I want to show you today. The first is this swim dress. Now, full transparency, I am not a swim dress girly. Like, this is not my aesthetic. This is not really what I opt for, but I know so many of you do, and so many of you prefer something a little bit more modest like this, or aren't as comfortable showing all that skin, and I can absolutely empathize with that. So I am just so appreciative that more and more brands are catering to both the girls that want to show skin and the girls that maybe aren't quite there yet or don't want to be there yet. Like, that's absolutely okay. And I think this is a great option. Like, it's a cute little sundress, like good, solid, like construction. It looks like it's really well made. I will say, like, it definitely has the hold that you're gonna look for from a shapewear company making swimwear, right? Like, that's what they do best. And this one has some nice hold to it. But again, I don't think it's going to be like uncomfortable. I do like the neutrality of this print and pattern and color story too. Like, who doesn't love black and white? And I think the length is gonna be pretty good too. Like, appropriate on me. The one thing I'll call out with this is that the straps are not adjustable. So if you're a girl that typically relies on that, this one may not be for you, but I do think they have some good stretch. You just won't be able to, you know, adjust. So keep that in mind. Well, I'm just pleasantly surprised. This is actually really cute and a pretty good fit. I struggle with one pieces as well. I should have noted that. I have a long torso, and so like finding things that are going to be long enough on my body is always a challenge, which is really why I steer away from one pieces in general. But this one actually fits pretty good. Like, I can definitely feel it pulling on my shoulders. I think if these straps were adjustable, that would probably solve the problem. But again, these don't have the adjustable straps, so I'm kind of like tugging here. But look at how cute this is, and like, I just think it's a really flattering look. Like, again, if you're not super comfortable showing a lot of skin, this is a really good option. The bottoms are like a true brief style. Now, I feel very snatched and secure in these, but not feeling like restrictive and like I'm gonna bust out of this swimsuit. That's what I love most about Shapermint. I feel really confident and really secure without sacrificing comfort, which is so important, even in your swimwear. Like, you shouldn't have to feel uncomfortable when you're in swimwear. I just don't think you have to sacrifice that. And this swimsuit does a good job of doing its job while providing comfortability too, which I really appreciate. And if you're like me and a swim dress is just really not your style, you can do a mix and match like two-piece moment too. So first up is this like triangle bikini top. It's just a solid black color, great for everything. Like, you can mix and match this with other swimwear in your closet or with any of the other like separates that they have on Shapermint, which I think is really smart. It is like a true like triangle bikini top style. This does have an underwire, so it's gonna have some good support. Very thin pad that is removable. So if you don't care for those, you can take it out. And I appreciate that there is adjustability on the back strap and the top in true triangle form. I think that this is going to give you the support that you need and the coverage you want, but also still having the comfortability and the adjustability that you look for in a swimsuit like this. So this seems promising. And then the bottoms that I have are this really fun blue color. I really like these blue bottoms. And in looking at these look like these might be a little small. But again, this is a shapewear swimsuit. So maybe it's intended to look small. I'm just like holding it up to my body and I'm like, is this gonna fit my hips? I don't know. We'll try it on and we'll see. We'll put it to the test. But I really like this color. This is a really fun color for swimwear, like bright and bold. I also like that it's a swim skirt. I really don't have many swim skirts, so this is like a really welcomed addition to my swimwear collection. And again, like the hold and the control of this seems comfortable, but still doing its job, which I appreciate. And I love like the movement that this one has. We'll see if it still has movement once I try it on, because again, I think this one might be a little small on me, but let's see. I think I just became a swim skirt girly. Like, this is really cute. As anticipated, it's not like as flowy as it was when it was hanging in front of me, because I am very hippie. Like, this is my largest area of my body. So maybe if I were to size up, it would fit a little bit more like flowy, like as intended, but I am not mad at this. These are actually so comfortable. I was very worried that these were going to be so tight that like these were just not going to work, and they work great. They're very snatching. Like, I feel really, really controlled and covered, but I'm not uncomfortable, and I don't feel like these are going to like this is going to roll down or be like uncomfortable in any way. It's just a really well-made swim bottom. Like, I am pleasantly surprised with these, and I love the color. This top is really nice too. I mean, I love just like the basicness of it, but the real winner for me is like just how easy it is to adjust. I think if you have a larger chest, this is still going to work really well for you, because it does have the underwire for support and the ability to really tailor these straps to how much, you know, support you need. I'm smaller chested, so I appreciate that swimsuits like this give me that flexibility. And overall, like, look at how cute this is together, and you can mix and match this with other things in your swimwear collection. I definitely think I need to pick up this swim skirt in more colors, because I just really love the fit, and I love like how you could really make this a little sportier. Like, I have some upcoming trips and travel planned where I know I'm going to be like doing more adventurous things, but like still want to wear a swimsuit, and this gives you the option to kind of just wear this as a skirt with your swimwear top, maybe a jacket or like a top over top of it, and go. Like, you're ready to go. I love that. I definitely have been sleeping on swim skirts for way too long, and I think now I'm a changed woman. And this was my small but mighty Shapermint swimwear haul. Like I said, we only had a couple of things to review, but wow, did they pack a punch. Like, I'm very impressed. I definitely want to try more of the Shapermint swimwear out, but I want to hear from you. Have you tried Shapermint swimwear before? Let me know in the comments below, what has your experience been thus far? If you want to check these out for yourself, like I said, I'll have them linked down below, along with a coupon code that you can use at checkout if you want to save some extra cash. And if you want to see more Shapermint hauls from me and swimwear hauls like this in the future, please give this video a thumbs up. That really lets me know what you like here on my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in and being here. I always appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.